Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, Day 275 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about grounding yourself like a tree with strong, steady roots. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body connect with the ground beneath you. Imagine roots extending down, steady and strong. Now, say to yourself, I am rooted, I am supported, and I am steady in who I am. Let each breath strengthen your roots, holding you steady no matter what comes. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this grounded strength with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.